What's up everyone? As you know, Christmas is around the corner. I just woke up to this package from Ruroc. I'm super excited to unpack it and see what's inside. I thought I knew what it was, but I'm not so sure anymore because it says fragile on it. And that's a new thing. I've never seen that on like when they're packed their helmets. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop talking and unbox this. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna cut this open. It's super heavy. Or not super heavy, it's heavy. Usually they don't weigh this much, so I'm excited to see what's inside. It says Atlas on it, so let's see which side opens. Aww. A Ruroc cap. I don't know what this is. It says Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. Look at this. I should probably hang it up here somewhere. Like that. I guess this is chocolate. It's like a coin. Another Christmas ball. Candy. What the fuck? More candy. This we have in Sweden. This I never seen, so I'm excited to try it out. I'm super pumped for the candy. If you couldn't tell. Oh, there's a card in here. Merry Christmas, Saaraazh, ho ho ho. You have a good one from the whole Ruroc team. Again, I'm still laughing, but there's like too much candy in here. Well, do I need to say anything about this? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that unsaid. And a Ruroc keychain. And another like bottle opener. That is super cool. It's like the helmet design. Tea, I love tea. This is awesome. Let's see what's in here. I don't know how you open this. This is like the funniest gift I ever got. This is a nail clipper. That's random. What's this? I have no clue what this is. I don't know what this is, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, let's see one more. Pork. Dried pork, I think. That's a lot of candy. They really stuffed in anything you could find. That's beans. Wow. And what's in here? This is heavy. Let me just take this away. Okay. What is this? There's something with fluid in it. It's like a bottle, probably like a... Oh shit. Yeah, it's vodka. Yeah, this made my day so much better. I've laughed a lot, as you can tell. I'm even crying a bit. I just want to say thank you to the whole team. They're awesome. I love to work with them. And Merry Christmas, everyone! Because I'm pretty sure I won't update before Christmas. I hope everyone has an awesome Christmas and spends it with the people they care about. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm super thankful for all the positive feedback on my 2 latest videos. The Christmas edit together with Ruroc and World is Our Playground 2. That means a lot to me since the channel was hacked. And like all the comments and like leaving a thumbs up and everything means a lot to me, so thank you once again. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll leave the link in the description, so check that out. Yeah, other than that, I'm gonna think of some cool stuff to do for this winter. I was planning to do a few snowboard trips. Let me know if you want to see videos of that, if that's interesting as well. And yeah, I got big plans for 2021, and I wish I could say what it is right now, but I can't. But hopefully I'll be able to reveal it soon. But let me tell you, this thing is like, it's so exciting for me, and I can barely sleep at night thinking about this. Yeah. Anyways, have a good Christmas and take care. Leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here?